Let me record. So, all right, guys, this is your boy Victory Diala Vicforex. Okay, so today we have the first market analysis for the year. Yeah, it's been a while. I have taken time to, to do this call. So it's just a free analysis, market analysis. So this is a call where we break down, where I break down some of the um, some of the things I'm looking for in the trades, and where I make top-down analysis, and you know get our buyers for the week. So this helps for you to be informed, right? So this makes you a unique trader. So whereas whereby you are informed, okay, because trading requires knowledge, okay, and for number one thing is for you to know what you're going to do in the market. So are you going to buy or are you going to sell? So if you don't have that knowledge, then you are going to go and keep roaming in the market, and the market is going to play with you and mess you up. So yeah, so what makes the difference between the profitable traders and the unprofitable traders is the fact that on the weekend like this, you analyze, you plan yourself on what you are expecting ahead of the new week. By that way, it will keep you uh, in line for you not to be able to take unnecessary trades that's, gonna take you to drawdowns and losses, because yeah, the market is looking for your money, right? So you as a trader needs to prepare ahead of the market. So yeah, so we'll just continue right here. So if you guys have any that we want to look at, you can also drop, or unmute yourself and also tell me. So, but I'm going to start with Bitcoin. All right. So let me just start
Okay.
with this Bitcoin, since I'm already on this chart so that we can look at it. I'm gonna remove this. So basically, we can see that Bitcoin at this point, this is weekly, because me, I'm an intraday trader. So intraday trader, we are focusing on what is going to happen or what is happening within the week, right? So I'm gonna start with the weekly time frame. So even on monthly, we can also see that price is bullish. But let me delete these stuffs. So we can see that here is bullish, right? So I'm gonna give you guys, this is how I make my own analysis. You can also learn from it, right? So simply, this is a bullish candlestick, or overall Bitcoin is up, right? Bitcoin is up on a monthly time frame. We all can see that right here. Price has been bullish. Go to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is also bullish, right? So look at this level, 90K. So I've marked out this level. These levels you see here, 50K, 70K, 90K. I think this is 110K or so. This is just like a psychological level. Psychological level is, let's say, basically it means like support and resistance, key support and resistance, or key levels where the market reacts. All right. So here on the weekly time frame, we can also see prices bullish. All right, which is we are we are we are we are we are just trying to get our buyers. All right. So we can see here also on the daily that prices has been also been bullish. So look at what happened here on Bitcoin. Price has tested this level, like, you know, delete this. Price has tested here. This is like first touch, second touch. This is the liquidity. double bottom. Price took out this liquidity, all right, tapped into this demand level, boom, pumped. Okay, so now price is trading like above this range or so, because this is a range. You can see this is my line. Price, the last, okay, price is now at this key level, right? Because here, why do I call it key level? Because we have a lot of reactions, right here. Price is making a lot of reactions in that level, right? So, and on this daily, we can see that we have a price rejection, price rejecting, sorry, rejecting off of this, off of this key level. You can see. So I just switched to a line chart for you all to see. So price rejected off of this key level on the daily. You can see that switch over. So rejected here, right? Boom. So if we go to the 4 hours time frame, you can see what is happening here. What is happening here. So this is that key level which I talked about. Price testing these zones several times. So again, the markets, what price is after is what you look for is number one thing, your structure. Okay, and another thing for me is liquidity, where money is going to, and again, supply and demand. All right, because you are either buying or you're either selling. Supply and demand, or your buying or your selling zone is where you want to buy or you want to sell. All right, so when you have the structure, so now we have our structure. Our structure is bullish on this one, right? So now we are looking for where is price heading to. That's the next question. Where is price heading to? Now we go down to 4 hours. You can see price broke above this high. And since it broke above this last high here, it has been trading above here. Okay, it has been trading above here. So, all right, and here we can see on this 1 hour, time frame, on this 1 hour time frame, that we have gotten some rejections here. Rejections, this level, rejection, prices keep on rejecting here. So yeah, and again, we also see that we have this level which is like the liquidity, because here is a peak high. All right, and price bouncing off of this zone, this level, which is a key level, simply means that the buyers are currently at this level, right? So and we are looking for price to just take out this high, right? Because in a higher time frame, in an uptrend, we buy, price keep taking out the highs, come back, take out the highs. So look at what happened here. If you go down, so like I explained and dropped in that chart. So here we see this is external liquidity, right? And this is the this is the internal liquidity, all right, which has been taken out, and this is the external liquidity. So Alex, if you can remember what I told you last time. So for example, I am in abroad, right? But before I came to this abroad, I got some money on my own side to fund my travel, right? So this is price taking out this, taking money out from here for it to enable it to go and take out this money here. So this is just the analysis on Bitcoin. So any other thing is, if price comes back down and break this level, then this is 97K, right? So price is going to trade down to this level, because we can see these swing lows, right? All these swing lows are just liquidity. These things right here adjust the liquidity. So long as price is here, we're targeting this next high. You can see all the way down to it might reach this 110K because this is the next key level or quarter points. So this is the next level Bitcoin is going if it remains above this level, right? So and yeah, so anything that happens and price breaks and closes below here, we're dropping all the way down. So yeah, that is that on Bitcoin. Any question on that one on Bitcoin? You have any question, Alex? Jude, you have any question? Hello, hello guys. Jude. Hey Jude.
Can you hear me, Vic?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, my internet connection's unstable. Give me a second. I'm just gonna turn off
Oh,
my Wi-Fi.
okay. Okay. What about you, Jude? Are you there? Waiting room. Who is there? I think he's not here. Magic. Yeah.
All right, let me know if you can hear me, Vic.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, good. Yeah, it was a internet connection.
So like you what you heard what I was saying on the
On Bitcoin?
concerning, yeah,
Yeah,
you got my analysis right. So yeah.
yeah,
You
I've
have
been
you
listening.
have you have any question?
The only question that I probably do have is I noticed that on the higher time frame, I think it was on a monthly time frame,
Yeah. You
that I
want me to
saw
go over?
that. Yeah, oh, on the monthly time frame, I saw that there was like a small gap. Probably, I don't know if that's like a fair value gap is something that possibly the market would go come down to,
This side,
or
right?
yeah. Do you think it's gonna come down to that section, or is it just gonna go straight up?
Like if you hear what
I
I
feel
say,
like it
like
might pull back.
yeah, all right, it might pull back. That's if we have more sellers, but also looking at this weekly because look at this monthly now.
Mm-hmm.
We can see remove this. You will see delete this. So see this long week, right? So
Mm-hmm.
and price is looking like it wants to go all the way here to fill up this gap, right?
Right.
Oh, let me add somebody who's in the waiting room. Okay, 1 minute. I
Yeah, no problem.
accept. Man, sorry. Oh. So yeah, so he wants to price is looking like he wants to go all the way down to fill up this gap. I'm sorry,
Mm-hmm.
Victory. I did not know you were in the waiting room. Sorry, my brother. So I thought I feel like price is going to go down to fill this gap this week, right? This week rejection because whenever price makes a move, okay, and leaves weeks. So I whenever price makes a move and leaves a week, it will definitely come back to fill that way. Okay. So but if the pressure from the sellers are much here, then we will see that that's when if price breaks below this level. But with this, let's say you're looking at the candlestick pattern, you will see that here, this is because I like to analyze my chart in a way. You see that this is like engulfing candlestick, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Engulfing this meaning that seller
Yeah.
buyers are like presently here. So look at what I explained to you. Like here, this level price has bounced here one, two, multiple times, one, two,
Yeah.
then came back here. Look at what happened. This is This was the previous demand level, right?
So it's become a demand zone for the time being, right?
Yeah, yeah, these are
Okay.
demand level. So, and this was the liquidity. I'm gonna delete. This was the liquidity that was taken out when price pulled back here. So look at
Right.
this. Yeah. So price has rejected here. Boom. It's going all the way up here because you can see that this is an imbalance here. This zone. You can see this is an minute. Let me shift this mind. You can see here we have this imbalance right here. You have this imbalance all the way. So price is trading because price trades from one zone to another zone, right? So here, that's why I said if we continue to stay here, up here, so this is the next target. But if we break here below, then it's coming down here. So, but from what we see from the weekly, all right, I think the buyers are still active. The monthly, the buyers are still active. So I think we have much more pressure coming from the buyers than the sellers. So that's my own analysis right here. Anything below this level is gonna drop. So and the next target is 110K. All right, because this is a
No,
key
yeah,
level.
that's what my prediction was too. I was like, if it does break past that and
Mm,
goes towards the like it does that bullish run, I have a
mm.
feeling like it's gonna hit to that probably the 100, the 100, 105 mark,
110K.
give or take. Yeah.
It might go, yeah, it might go past it because next target will go past this last high. So, so that's why I said as it continues to stay above here, just look at here, you will see this is the support, right? This is the support key level. When I mean key level, support, resistance, now another support. So it's still trading above this level. So next target, Bitcoin moves very fast. So just maybe one push can give it to this level, another push, 105, 106, 110. So, but what will change all this is if price just manage to trade below here, then it will come down here. So that's what I've got it. Let me see. Yeah,
So this upcoming week, we gotta pay attention to that, right?
to the buys. Yeah,
Yeah.
just pay
Are you,
attention to this level.
are you still in the trade for the Bitcoin that we
No,
placed
no,
earlier,
no.
or
Already
stopped you
took
out?
me out. Already
It
stopped
already
me
took you
out.
out. Okay, okay.
I told you I just took that trade without looking the chart. If not, I wouldn't have taken that trade. Yeah.
Yeah, for me, I set my stop loss at the 97,000
Mm,
price point. It almost tapped into it, but it didn't fully tap into it. It didn't. It
mm,
didn't tap. It hit the
nearly.
97.84 price
Yeah.
range.
Mm,
Yeah.
that's so that is it. So that's that on Bitcoin. So I think we'll go over to gold because a lot of people trade gold. So let's see what we got on gold for this week. Let's see what we got on gold. I've already made my own analysis, guys. So what I'm gonna just show you what is happening. I think gold this year is still going to buy, right? So, but before he's going to do that buy, he's going to make complete this move, right? Because already this year price opened above, right? Price opened on the buy side. So, but before price moves on this gold for this year, it's going to first of all complete this move, right? Downside. So let me just show you guys what I actually did here because I just made that analysis and boom. See, gold has been. bullish since January, right? Since last year, January price, boom, buying continuously. So let's see what happened. Okay, let's take it back to last year, January, when the new year. Sorry. um, What, what is this? Let's take it back to
So for the time being, your sentiment on gold is on a bearish side, right?
for me, for now,
Yeah.
yeah, for now, my sentiment on gold is bearish.
Yeah,
Is
because it's gonna
bearish.
tap into that golden zone, right?
Yeah, it's gonna tap into, yeah, it might tap into this golden zone. Okay, that's if it breaks here. So, but I want to look at what happened like in the previous last year
Uh-huh.
when the year started, 2024. Right, 2024, we see what's happened on gold. And again, like you all know, gold is really booming, and gold is a precious metal now. A lot of people investing on gold.
Yeah.
Like this was around
March.
March. Oh yeah, price boom. So look at, on that year, New Year price first of all dropped a little bit, then boom, and it did not come back till then. So, and again, let's look at what has been happening on gold. So we can see, I think this was since October, boom, all right, last low, another low, boom. Price did not break above this last high, all right. So this is why I am looking at for the sales, because boom, because now remember, I think gold and Bitcoin, they correlate, right? For example, if you can remember, on that day Trump won the election, Bitcoin spiked up and gold dropped.
Well, yeah, that's what I saw.
Phew,
Gold went down and
boom.
Bitcoin went up.
Yeah. So,
They
and it
inverted
would,
basically.
so remember my analysis now before I started on Bitcoin. So price is looking like it's looking bullish on Bitcoin. So that's why I'm also having more conviction for sales right here. So look at what has been happening. Price broke down here, came back, still rejected off of this level. So you guys should be always watching at price action, what is happening. So for me, so here was the support for this buy. Support came back, boom, retested here. Another support, another resistance. Now this is a resistant level, another resistance. Making it how many resistance? Now let us go to line chart. Boom, delete. So look at what is happening. One, two, or let's say one, two, three. Boom. So this was the last high. After this last high, price dropped. Boom. Broke this last low. It came back, hit the support. Came back again, hit the support. Boom. So let me go over to this. We are on a daily time frame. Okay. So sell, sell, sell. Incomplete. This one took out this internal liquidity, made new low. Again, boom, came back to this level. So take a look at this level here. This level is a key level, right? When I say key level, what I mean by key level is any zone where price support, resistance, support. I don't know if somebody's on the waiting room. Let me quickly check. Oh. Mm, okay, I think no one else is on the waiting room. So, yeah, so you can see whatever I say key level means that price has tested their support resistance. Maybe let me just make it this way. Support, resistance, maybe broke, form support. Okay, delete this. You see, key level is like this, where we have seen price tap support, resistance, support, resistance. So this is the key level. So just yeah. So here is a key level. So on a key level, price always reacts to that level when it gets to that point. So and at this level, price made this incomplete move and rejected off of this zone. So here we can see we have something like this, boom, drop, rally, and this is the daily time frame. Remember, this is like a ranging zone and drop. So this zone is a supply zone where price tested. So here we can see on the 4 hours the price is still bearish, right? So look at what happened here. Look at what's happened here. This was the liquidity. Price took this liquidity out. So this is another liquidity. This one ready to be taken out. Look at this. This was a gap that was formed. Let me delete these yellow lines, the yellow circles. Look at this was a gap. This gap, I have been waiting for this gap, right? Gold has took my money because of this gap, all right? Because I was like, I'm waiting for price to come back to fill this gap, right? So, because I know this price cannot move here without tapping into the zone. So this is why I am anticipating for these sales right here. And again, you can also see using your trend line, the price is like looking bearish. So, or maybe what will happen, or not like maybe, what might happen is that maybe price can actually come back to this level, maybe trade down to this zone again, all right, then drop.
Well, that could
Okay.
be for a quick scalp right there. If it does that move, if it breaks above that golden zone,
Mm,
if it breaks above the golden zone, it probably might tap back into the golden zone and go back and hit that trend line. Hit that trend
yeah,
line. And if it doesn't,
yeah,
it might definitely go down for sales.
yeah. So, but your eyes for before you start looking for long-term buys or long-term buys, right? It must break above these three resistance.
Yeah.
All right. But if price stays within this resistance level, it's going to sell. And selling is coming to take this money. You can see that, right? So price if price stays here, price stays because I'm just like analyzing what might happen. All right. But if because here I feel like this is what is going to happen. Why? Because imbalance needs also to be corrected to for price to continue a move. All right, because most people don't understand that okay, in trading is not like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So imbalance, boom. The price cannot just and go, or maybe in an on a downtrend, price will just go, go, go. No, without normally look at what price does is trades like this, target the next imbalance, so feel it. So what is happening here is like we we are looking for sales here, right? Neglecting this zone. Sorry, neglecting this imbalance. All right. So if If this does not happen, let's say this does not happen here, this is the next target. Okay, I'm just trying to, this is the next target for a sell. It's okay for you to take a stop for your trade to hit stop loss, right? So long as you're following your analysis. So, but then if it breaks above here, then I'm no longer looking for a sell. All right. So because our target is for price to come out, come back here. I'm gonna delete all this. Our target is, I think, this meeting. Are you guys gonna join once more because it's limited? I think I'm gonna share another one in the next 5 minutes so we can just summarize a new link. Are you guys with me, Alex?
I'm with you.
Yeah, I'm here.
So okay, Victor. So I don't know because in the next 5 minutes now I will share another link for you. Are you still available for the call? Because there's
Yeah,
gonna
I'm
be
still available
this.
for like another 30 minutes.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, I'm available.
okay. So I think I'm gonna stop this and then just sit back. Just in the next 5 minutes, I will just give you the next link so that we can just round up the remaining.
Sounds good. I'll be waiting.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll see you soon.